Hey everybody, here I am again, but guess what I'm doing? I just have another question I had to ask design-wise from a form follows function. So I'm sitting here at an eating bar, this is a Zodiac top, this is a Corian top, and this question came out about why is it that if I spend too much time sitting at a granite top or a quartz top, I start to feel chilled. I'm kind of feeling it in my arms. So if you're doing office interiors or any commercial space where you're using a lot of stones, why is it colder versus say Corian or wood or laminate? So there's a difference between these materials. I got to tell you, I didn't know the answer. Actually, what I thought was that in fact this material, you know, it's just warmer. It's just for no other reason. But fortunately, I had an opportunity to talk to a guy recently who knows a lot about this, and he taught me that in fact these are conductors of heat. And what happens is quartz and granites are actually better conductors of heat than Corian or wood or a laminate. And what they taught me was that the reason this feels warm is because it's not drawing as much heat out of your body. And in fact, the reason this feels cooler is because it's drawing the heat out of your body. So the longer you sit at an eating bar or a boardroom table or a restaurant and have your arms sitting on here, the more heat that's being drawn out of your body, which is why you feel a little chilled and why sometimes you get aches and pains as we get a little bit older with arthritis and stuff like that. So again, we talk about building materials, you know, and there's no right or wrong. I just want to make sure our consumers are aware. So as we talk about form follows function, keep in mind that heat and or what I call the warmth principle actually sometimes is the opposite of what you think. And in fact, these materials can actually make a room feel colder because they draw heat into them. But if you put a temperature gauge on both of these materials, they'd both be 72 degrees right now. So it's really interesting. So I thought I would share that with you today and remind you on form follows function in our series that you keep thinking about all the different things that are going on in product and design. So thanks for hanging with me in my kitchen. Take care.